Well, a late-night crackdown on a couple of marriage halls in Tripura capital Agartala took the social media by storm in the state. We have this report.
Maharaj, go! Hit him!
A Bollywood-style raid on alleged protocol violators in Tripura has taken the social media by storm.
No!
In a dramatic crackdown last evening, Tripura West District Magistrate Shailesh Kumar Yadav raided 2 marriage halls in Agartala for flouting COVID protocols and allowing marriage functions during the night curfew hours. A visibly furious Yadav ordered immediate wrapping up of the function, even as he threatened arrest to anyone who tried to interfere. Yadav entered 2 marriage halls, Gulab Bagan and Manikya Court, while he was taking a round of the city. These are visuals from one of the marriage halls where the function continued beyond the permissible time. While the district magistrate was seen ordering for arrest of almost everyone at the venue, he also dragged the groom and the priest by their collar. Things turned more dramatic when one of the women present in the venue tried to show a copy of the permission paper. Yadav dismissed the same, saying that the permission was to hold the function only till the stipulated time.
Okay, you people are educated. पूरे दिन भर प्रचार हो रहा है यहाँ पे. So
no amount of pleading worked, as the district magistrate was furious at the state of affairs. Yadav also lambasted the West Tripura police for allowing the function beyond the stipulated time.
मैं इधर थोड़ी देर पहले गया था, पुलिस गाड़ी यहाँ खड़ी थी. फिर भी ये सब यहाँ चल रहा है, इसका मतलब पुलिस इनके साथ मिली हुई है. Unfortunately, I have to recommend suspension, immediate suspension of West Agartala Police Station OC, because he is 100% undoubtedly hand in gloves with these people. Okay, and I think a DP should be launched against him.
Yadav argued that if the educated violate the protocols, what will the people with lack of awareness do?
Such kind of incidents, people should take it as an example. Unfortunately, these are educated, rich people. They are behaving like this. So what about the poor people who are not educated? So you can make out what is the level of responsibility in our population.
The video, which has been widely circulated in social media, has evoked mixed reactions. While many are supporting the move, questions are also being raised about the handling of the entire episode by the district magistrate. Was it necessary to manhandle people? Can women be threatened with arrest at night? However, many, including Tripura West MP Pratima Bhomik, believe that law needs to be enforced in these testing times. Speaking to Northeast Live, Bhomik also apologized for last night's incident, but maintained that people should be more careful.
सेकंड वेव चल रहा है, वो बहुत ही सख्त है. तो कोविड के लेके हम सब चिंतित है. शासन प्रशासन हम सबको कैसे स्वस्थ रखे, उसको लिए उन लोग तत्पर है. बहुत सारे नियम हैं, उसको मानना हम लोगों के लिए ज़रूरी है. फिर भी कल मैरिज हॉल में जो भी हुआ, वो हम सब जो अनुष्ठान करते हैं उसको अपने सेफ्टी के लिए उसके ऊपर ध्यान रखना है. कल रात को मैरिज हॉल में जो भी हुआ नहीं होना चाहिए था. तो किसी को भी इसी विषय में चोट पहुँचे तो हम उसके लिए एपोलोजाइज्ड है, हम क्षमा चाहते हैं. और रात को 12 बजे से लेकर 3 बजे तक मैं उस परिवार के साथ संपर्क में थी. और जो बहन की शादी थी वो रिचुअल वो ऑन टाइम हुआ था और सब मिलके दोबारा हम कोविड का जो ऐप चल रहा है उसको सावधानी रहेंगे और कोविड को हम जीतेंगे। तो शासन और प्रशासन जो भी करते हैं हम लोगों को भलाई के लिए करते हैं, उसको भी मानना चाहिए।
That's why you're violating. You should be arrested.
With inputs from Nitai De in Agartala, News Desk Report, Northeast Live.
Permission is for marriage, not for marriage beyond 10 p.m. Okay? You people are educated. पूरे दिन भर प्रचार हो रहा है यहाँ पे।
Meanwhile, opposition CPM condemned the alleged high-handedness of a district magistrate.
Written paper is there, and when he submitted their applications, they have submitted the invitation letter of the marriage ceremony. They mention there it is clear that this wedding will be performed after 11. It is as the spiritual things, all this cannot be done. It is as per the rules of the Hindu act, they will do it by the Panjika. And they have taken the permission for the vehicles also. Night car for pass is there. This district magistrate had issued this pass. After all these things shown to him, a district magistrate who has taken the law in his hand, and one police officer also not performing as per his guidance, he was also taken away. In their applications they have written, I have seen 50% was allowed. The persons are same, but night curfew is there from 10. But they taken the curfew pass. They taken the permission from this district magistrate. He violated his orders. And it is a shame for the entire people of Tripura. It is not UP. The shame for the UP CM also, that what Biplab Dev's government, his DM was doing is this.